Should be able to hold it sideways too.
Oh, you went the wrong way.
That's pretty wide screen there, huh? When it's sideways. You can get Todd in there if you want to.
Yeah. He's turning around.
He's coming over
coming
here
on the
now.
road now.
Down here by the road. He's got to give it a goose, don't he? Gotta be careful, that's some sand up there, son.
That's a little more throttle, the easier.
Yeah. I just, you know, it's a heavier bike, too. We're probably being recorded, too, aren't we?
Yeah.
Turn around and then that yard up there, probably.
It used to be.
He's coming. He's coming fast, too.